Welcome to Social Sentiment Insights, or SSi, an AI-powered sentiment intelligence platform that delivers early insights, giving traders, investors, analysts, and portfolio managers an edge by staying ahead and outperforming the market. SSi is available as an end-to-end software-as-a-service application centered around two core views: the dashboard screen and the query screen. The dashboard provides a broad, macro-level view of your portfolios, delivering actionable AI-powered buy-sell alerts, sentiment and buzz trends, and the narratives that are driving changes across your holdings. And the query screen enables deep-dive analysis into any financial or non-financial event, from earnings announcements and product launches to leadership changes and emerging themes. Together, these views create comprehensive and actionable insights for traders, investors, among others. SSi also offers a complete suite of application programming interfaces for seamless integration with customer platforms and vendor systems. For users who prefer a conversational interface, the Ask SSi GPT feature lets you interact with SSi data directly through ChatGPT or other large language models. Getting started is simple. You can sign up using Google or any email account, accept the online agreement, log in instantly, and log out just as easily. In the next video, we'll walk through the full SSi dashboard, explain the alerts, explore each panel, and show you how to interpret your portfolio's sentiment profile. Let's begin.